Marketing feels complicated because people make it complicated. For service businesses, marketing is actually very simple. It has only 3 parts. First, people need to find you. That's Google Maps, local search, sometimes ads. Second, people need to trust you. This is where most businesses lose customers. If your page looks inactive, unclear, or empty, people assume risk, even if your service is great. Third, people need an easy way to contact you. If calling or messaging feels slow or confusing, they don't bother. That's it. Find you, trust you, contact you. If any one of these breaks, marketing stops working. This is why more ads don't always fix the problem. The structure matters more than the spend. On this channel, I break down marketing in a simple, practical way for plumbing, laundry, and other service businesses. If you want clarity instead of confusion, subscribe and follow along.